to get fast delivery on SHEIN. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get fastest delivery on your SHEIN orders. So SHEIN offers a variety of shipping options depending on your location and the urgency of your orders. So SHEIN basically has different shipping modes. First one is the usual one, which is the standard shipping. This is the most affordable option with estimated delivery time of 10 to 20 business days. However, it is most important to note that these are just estimated and your actual delivery time may take much longer also. And the second option is the express shipping. This option is faster than the standard shipping with estimate delivery time of 2 to 8 business days. However, it is also slightly expensive than the standard shipping option. And the next option is the economy shipping. This is the slowest and the cheapest option with estimated delivery time of 20 to 40 business days. It is only available for orders above $49. So these are the basic three shipping methods available with your SHEIN orders. So if you want to make your shipping faster, you can go ahead and use shipping coupons, which can make your shipping faster. For example, these are the option for free shippings. So you can apply these coupon code on the orders that you are making. If they are applied, you have to make purchases for certain amount in order to apply these coupon codes. And once your order has shipped, you will receive a tracking number that you can use to track in progress. You can track your order on SHEIN website or app using your website or app. So this is basically how you will be able to get fast shipping on your SHEIN orders. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.